In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Liquid Web Hosting for affiliate marketing, covering all the essential steps to set up, manage, and promote your affiliate website effectively. First, let's begin by signing up for Liquid Web Hosting. Head over to their website and locate the sign up section. It's crucial to get your hosting sorted out, as it forms the backbone of your online business or project. Trust me, having a reliable host like Liquid Web will save you loads of headaches in the future. Once you're on their site, the next step is to choose a hosting plan that suits your needs. For affiliate marketers, VPS or cloud sites are highly recommended. These plans offer the flexibility and scalability needed as your website grows and attracts more visitors. After selecting the perfect plan, proceed to set up your website. Here, you'll find an option to easily install WordPress or any other preferred CMS using their one-click installer. This simplified method allows even the less tech-savvy among us to get things rolling swiftly. Now that you're all set up, it's time to connect your domain. Go to your Liquid Web dashboard, copy the IP address, and update the A record with your domain registrar. This crucial step ensures your domain points to your hosting, making your website accessible to the world. Afterward, jump back into your dashboard and start installing essential plugins. For WordPress users, plugins such as an affiliate link manager, like Pretty Links or Thirsty Affiliates, will be invaluable. These plugins help keep track of all your affiliate links efficiently. Critical to any website's success is search engine optimization. So be sure to install an SEO plugin such as Rank Math or Yoast SEO. This tool helps optimize your content, making it more visible to search engines, which in turn drives more organic traffic to your site. Coupled with an analytics plugin, you'll be able to monitor traffic, conversions, and overall site performance. Creating valuable content is key in affiliate marketing. Write product reviews, comparison articles, or how-to guides with your audience's interests in mind. Remember, it's not just about pushing products. It's about helping your audience make informed decisions. While producing content, seamlessly integrate your affiliate links using your Link Manager plugin. Doing this not only keeps your links organized, but also ensures they are all functioning correctly. Additionally, don't forget to optimize for speed and security. Enable SSL certificates for added security, and use caching solutions like Lightspeed or Cloudflare to improve site speed. A key part of running a successful affiliate site is promotion. Share your content on social media platforms, YouTube, and through email newsletters. Use SEO tactics and paid ads to effectively drive traffic to your site. Once your site is live and gaining traction, continually track its performance. Monitor affiliate clicks and conversions, and adjust your content strategy based on these insights to continue improving your site's